Good morning! Day 3, it's Monday today, and we are off on a new adventure out to where?
McBrides Beach.
McBrides Beach this morning. We've had a shower, we feel freshened up. How do you feel, Mum?
Yeah, good today.
How did you sleep?
Yep.
Warm? Have you had breakfast yet?
No.
No, because our plan is to have breakfast at McBrides Beach. We also have one more exciting thing to do today. I will just go find Stu. Good morning, Stuart.
Hello.
After McBrides Beach, where are we off to?
We are in the vehicle again, and we will be heading up north to Port Macquarie.
Port Macquarie. How are we getting to the places we want to get to maybe today?
By car.
And one other thing, maybe.
Ferry.
Oh, ooh, that sounds fun and interesting. Anyway, stay tuned again, and can't wait to show you where day 3 takes us. What time is it, Mum? Time to
Have breakfast.
and air down.
Here down.
Air down. Got the look a little bit behind us of where we'll be heading to soon. You excited?
Yes.
How excited?
Very.
Rated out of 10.
7.
7?
T.
A 10.
17.
17. Yep, stop.
McBrides.
What's going on here, Dad?
Battle scar.
Oh, where?
You know what, guys? I've got the same one, but mine was done by Tiana on a water tap.
Guys, I'm videoing.
And there's one on the other side as well.
Got Daddy's camera around. Look at this. From McBrides Beach. I'll get a bit of a peer review on what we all thought it was. Just help Stewie set up for airing up. Peer review of McBrides Beach, Stewie, what'd you think?
Fucking awesome.
Okay. Dad?
Yes.
What did you think of the tracks going into McBrides?
They were big and rough. Very rutty. A few scratches.
Few scratches?
Yeah.
The Toyota's christened. Mum, peer review on McBrides Beach, please.
That was an awesome time.
What about getting down? Getting down?
Yeah, I was saying shit a lot.
Getting up?
It was okay.
Okay.
Watching the Nissan go spinny, 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 spinny.
Oh, it's all about the right lines you choose in those rut situations, but everything's good. We're all out alive. We're all happy. No recoveries needed. No snatching, no winching. That's a win. I'm just doing a walk around of the car, Dad, and I couldn't help but notice you've got a scratch on the mags.
Oh, where?
Or down here. Oh, what's that?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Stewie, we got a scratch on the mag.
Oh shit! Sure by 4. That's the Stewie short.
Here it is. Can we see it? Woo! Battle scar, just found another one. We are at Settlement Point Ferry in Port Macquarie. We've decided to jump the river and go and stay between Point Plomer up to Hat Head. We just called into the information centre and got some permits to drive along the beach. We could have done just the full drive track off the beach, but we thought, oh,
Hey guys, you reckon we should bring the waves campground?
I don't know, Stu, what do you reckon?
I was just looking up. Do all my footy tips first.
Anyway, it's a $5 single car trip across the ferry, so you pay on the ferry. You just sit in your car until it turns up. So here we are, just waiting for the ferry to come across. Hey, Stu?
Yep.
So we've crossed the ferry. We got on the ferry at here, Settlement Point, and it just took us across. We came down to the beach. We're just airing down now as we speak. It looks like we're going to travel up north along the beach, all the way up here to a campground called Waves Campground. It's just around Point Plomer out here. We'll set up camp here for the night, see how it goes. Person. This is not funny. They're still driving. I haven't even caught up to them yet. Okay, Stuart, it's enough now. It's not funny anymore. We have pulled up for the night at a campground called Waves Campground. Not really.
Not really.
What was it? $12
per person.
Per person for the night. Got some firewood at Bunnings.
Yeah. Some sand pegs for our grass.
Yeah, we went to Bunnings and brought sand pegs because we thought we were going to camp on the sand. We've got beautiful green grass campground here at the moment.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. Anyway, so it's been a good, eventful day to drive on the beaches that we did today. You have to have a permit, a beach permit. It was $66 for the annual pass. It was cheaper to do that than just to buy council permits. So we just paid the $60 permit fee. Anyway, we're going to have a drink and then we are going to set up camp.